The standout feature of the AUTOABC kit lies in its seamless integration with the existing architecture of Audi vehicles. Designed for hassle-free installation, the kit utilizes the original car wire plug, eliminating the need for cutting or breaking wires. This plug-and-play setup ensures a smooth and straightforward installation process without requiring the removal of the factory screen. Thus, Audi owners can enjoy the benefits of advanced smartphone integration without compromising the aesthetics of their vehicle's interior. The AUTOABC kit is its support for both wireless and wired connectivity options, catering to the preferences of diverse users. For iOS users, the kit offers wireless AirPlay functionality, allowing for the streaming and sharing of content from iPhones to the car screen. On the other hand, Android users can take advantage of the wired auto-link feature, ensuring seamless connectivity with their devices. Whether it's watching online videos, accessing TV news, browsing photos, or navigating to your destination, the AUTOABC kit empowers drivers to stay connected while on the move. The integration of cameras is another highlight of the AUTOABC kit, enhancing both safety and convenience on the road. With support for factory original reverse, front, and 360-degree cameras, as well as aftermarket camera options, drivers gain enhanced visibility and awareness of their surroundings. Moreover, the kit supports front-view camera DVR with dynamic guidance lines, further aiding in maneuvering tight spaces with confidence. The AUTOABC Drahtlose Apple CarPlay and Android Auto kit from Aliexpress represent a significant leap forward in Audi infotainment technology. With its wireless and wired connectivity options, camera support, and hands-free functionality, this kit empowers Audi owners to embrace the future of connected driving. By seamlessly integrating smartphones into the driving experience, the AUTOABC kit not only enhances convenience, but also prioritizes safety on the road. Upgrade your Audi today and unlock a world of possibilities with the AUTOABC kit.